Chapter 9, Force and Laws of Motion. So many numericals as well as question answers are already given to you. Now page number 136, question number 5. A truck starts from rest and rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. It travels a distance of 400 meters in 20 seconds. We are going to calculate acceleration as well as force. Total mass is given 7 tons. 1 ton makes 1000 kg. So here mass is equal to 7 tons. 7 into 1000, 7000 kg, because 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. Initial velocity will be 0 meter second to the power minus 1, because the truck going to start from rest. Distance s is equal to 400 meter, time 20 seconds. Acceleration and force we are going to calculate. We know s is equal to ut plus half at square. S is 400 meter, u is 0, timing is 20, plus half into acceleration is not there, timing 20 seconds whole square. This one will make it 400 second square. By 2 should be cancelled out. Then whatever number left we should bring down. After cancellation, acceleration came out 2 meter second to the power minus 2. So acceleration is equal to 2 meter second to the power minus 2. Now force, mass into acceleration. Mass is 7000 kg, acceleration 2 meter second to the power minus 2. Total 14,000 kilogram meter second to the power minus 2, which makes Newton. So force acting on it is 14,000 Newton. Now question number 6. A stone of 1 kg is thrown with a velocity of this much. That will be your initial velocity. 1 kg is the mass. Then comes to rest after traveling a distance of 50 meter. So distance s is equal to 50 meter. And final velocity 0 meter second to the power minus 1. Calculate force. So first calculation for acceleration. So we know v square equals to u square plus 2as. V is 0 whole square. U is 20 meter second to the power minus 1 whole square, plus 2 into acceleration into 50 meter. This should be multiplied 100 meter into a. This is 0. This positive bring this side, it will be negative. Then 100 you can send down along with minus. After cancellation, acceleration came out minus 4 meter second to the power minus 2. So force is equal to mass into acceleration 1 kg into minus 4 meter second to the power minus 2, which is minus 4 kilogram meter second to the power minus 2, that is minus 4 Newton. Now I am giving you question number 9 and 10. Question number 9. What is the momentum of an object of mass m moving with a velocity v? Right option is D, m into v, because momentum is product of mass and velocity. Number 10. Using a horizontal force of 200 Newton, we intend to move a wooden cabinet across a floor at a constant velocity. What is the frictional force? So frictional force also will be same, 200 Newton, but it will be in opposite direction. That's why answer should be written in one line. The friction force, that is frictional force actually, that will be exerted on the cabinet is 200 Newton. With this I am concluding today. Bye.